Hey there! Welcome to Perth, Western Australia's capital that basks in sunshine. This city has it all. Beautiful beaches, a lively urban scene, and a cool mix of city life and nature. Perth's got something for everyone. Whether you're into thrills, food, or history, this energetic place guarantees memories you won't forget. In this video, we'll check out the top 10 things to do in Perth. We'll cover everything from peaceful parks to busy markets and spotless coastlines. Get set to find out why Perth is a place you have to visit. It's got that perfect balance of chill vibes and big city buzz. Let's get started. Number 10. Elizabeth Quay. Named in honor of Queen Elizabeth II. Elizabeth Quay is a stunning waterfront development on the banks of the Swan River, just a short stroll from Perth's city centre. Opened in 2015, it's a hub of activity and architectural brilliance with sleek designs that mirror the flowing movement of the surrounding water. The standout feature is the striking pedestrian bridge, its graceful curves providing picture-perfect views of the river and city skyline. Along the quay, you'll find vibrant sculptures, a colorful playground for families, and a lively lineup of restaurants and cafes offering waterfront dining. Elizabeth Quay also serves as a cultural hotspot, hosting regular festivals, markets, and events. Thanks to its central location and nearby transport links, including buses, trains, and ferries, it's a bustling point of connection for locals and tourists alike. Whether you're exploring, dining, or just taking in the sights, it's a must-visit in Perth. Number 9. Penguin Island. Just off the coast of Rockingham, south of Perth, lies the charming Penguin Island, home to adorable little penguins that inhabit its cliffs, headlands, and pristine beaches. You can access the island via a tidal sandbar during low tide, though most visitors prefer the ferry ride. For the adventurous, kayaking or even swimming to its rugged shores adds an extra thrill. The island is home to a colony of around 1,200 penguins, but that's just the beginning of its allure. Strolling along its boardwalks and trails offers breathtaking ocean views, making it a paradise for nature lovers and photographers alike. Surfers will be thrilled by the rough waves that create fantastic surf spots, while the island's secluded beaches invite visitors to take a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters of the Indian Ocean. Penguin Island offers a perfect mix of wildlife, adventure, and relaxation, just a short trip from Perth. Number 8. State War Memorial. In the heart of Kings Park, the State War Memorial stands as a poignant tribute to the Australian servicemen and women from Western Australia who made the ultimate sacrifice for their country. Perched with a breathtaking view of the Swan River, the centerpiece cenotaph was first unveiled after the First World War, marking the beginning of its powerful legacy. Over time, the memorial precinct has expanded to include a crypt, a roll of honor, and striking glass cases displaying the colors of fallen battalions. The serene surroundings add to the solemn and reflective atmosphere, making it a meaningful place to visit. Each year, the site becomes the focal point of remembrance as thousands gather for the deeply moving Anzac Day dawn service, honoring the courage and sacrifice of those who served. It's a must-visit for anyone exploring Perth, offering a glimpse into the nation's history and resilience. Number 7. Swan Valley Vineyards. Just a short drive from Perth, the Swan Valley is a must-visit destination for wine enthusiasts and food lovers alike. This picturesque region is Western Australia's oldest wine-growing area, boasting lush vineyards, scenic landscapes, and a rich culinary heritage. Swan Valley is home to a wide variety of wineries, from boutique vineyards to renowned establishments offering world-class wines. Whether you're a fan of crisp whites, bold reds, or sweet dessert wines, there's something here to please every palate. Pair your wine-tasting experience with delicious local produce, as the valley is also famous for its artisanal cheeses, chocolates, and gourmet treats. For a truly immersive experience, consider a leisurely lunch at a vineyard restaurant, where you can savor your meal while surrounded by stunning views. Whether you're taking a guided wine tour or exploring on your own, the Swan Valley offers a perfect escape filled with flavor, charm, and relaxation. Number 6. Hay Street. one of the city's most bustling and vibrant streets. Stretching from the iconic King's Park all the way to the waterfront at Elizabeth Quay, it offers a dynamic blend of shopping, dining, and cultural experiences. As you stroll down Hay Street, you'll find a mix of retail outlets, from global fashion brands to unique local boutiques, offering something for every style and taste. It's a paradise for shoppers, whether you're looking for high-end fashion, souvenirs, or one-of-a-kind artisan goods. Alongside the shops, the street is lined with cozy cafes, restaurants, and pubs, making it the perfect place to stop for a bite or a drink while people watching. The street is also home to historic landmarks like the beautiful St. George's Cathedral and is a lively spot for both locals and tourists. If you're in Perth, Hay Street is definitely a must-visit. Number 5. Rottnest Island. Just a short ferry ride from Perth. Rottnest Island is a must-visit paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Known for its stunning turquoise waters, pristine beaches, and relaxed vibe, this island is the perfect escape from city life. One of its most famous residents is the adorable quokka, often dubbed the happiest animal on Earth. Don't forget to snap a selfie with these friendly marsupials. Rottnest Island offers plenty of activities, from snorkeling in vibrant coral reefs and kayaking in crystal-clear bays to cycling around its scenic trails. With no cars allowed, biking is the best way to explore the island's 63 beaches and 20 secluded bays. History buffs can visit the island's historic sites, including the Wajamup Lighthouse and old military installations. Whether you're soaking up the sun, spotting wildlife, or enjoying water sports, Rottnest Island guarantees an unforgettable adventure close to Perth's shores. Number 4. Swan River. The Swan River, winding its way through Perth, is the heart and soul of the city. This iconic river offers both locals and visitors stunning views, recreational opportunities, and a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle. One of the best ways to experience the Swan River is by taking a scenic cruise. These boat tours give you a unique perspective of the city's skyline, the lush parks lining the riverbanks, and landmarks like the Perth City skyline and Elizabeth Quay. For those who prefer a more active experience, the Swan River offers excellent options for kayaking, paddleboarding, and cycling along the riverside paths. It's also a great spot for a picnic or a leisurely walk, especially near King's Park, which offers panoramic views of the river and the city. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, the Swan River is the perfect place to enjoy nature and soak in the beauty of Perth. Number 3. Heirisson Island, a hidden gem for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. This peaceful island is home to a variety of wildlife and offers stunning views of the city skyline. One of the island's most famous residents is a group of friendly kangaroos that roam the grassy areas, making it a fantastic spot for animal lovers and photographers. Accessible by a walking bridge from the mainland, Heirisson Island is perfect for a relaxing day out. You can explore its walking paths, enjoy a picnic by the water, or simply take in the serene surroundings. The island is also a great place for birdwatching, with numerous species calling it home. With its tranquil atmosphere and proximity to the city, Heirisson Island offers an escape into nature, making it a must-visit for anyone looking to enjoy Perth's outdoor beauty and wildlife. Number 2. Cottesloe Beach. Cottesloe Beach is a must-visit destination along Perth's stunning Indian Ocean coastline and is easily one of the most beloved beaches in the region. With its golden sands bordered by a scenic ocean way and the charming Cottesloe suburb just behind it, the beach is perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and even surfing. Beyond the waves, Cottesloe offers a lively atmosphere with plenty of cafes, bars, and restaurants to explore. Whether you're in the mood for a quick coffee or a seaside meal, the options are endless, making it easy to spend an entire day here. As the day winds down, don't rush back just yet. Cottesloe Beach is renowned for its breathtaking sunsets. Watch as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in vibrant shades of orange and pink. A picture-perfect way to end your beach adventure before heading back to Perth's city center. Number 1. Bell Tower. Rising proudly along the Swan River, The Bell Tower is one of Perth's most iconic landmarks and a must-visit attraction. This striking architectural masterpiece is home to a fascinating piece of history. The 12 bells of St. Martin in the Fields, believed to date back to the 14th century. Visitors can explore its unique design and learn about the art of bell ringing through interactive exhibits. Don't miss the chance to try ringing the bells yourself in a live demonstration. For breathtaking views, head to the observation deck, where you can take in the city skyline and Swan River in all their glory. The Bell Tower offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and stunning scenery, making it a highlight of any trip to Perth.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.